Alright, hey guys, so a couple days ago I made this post on X that I found a way to use Ginkou on mobile, and they haven't released their mobile version yet, so I wanted to keep my word and explain how I did it, and I thought this, like a video format, would be the best way to do that. So here we are, finally. I got back from my traveling, and I'm not busy with work today, so I'm here to do it. So yeah, let's go. The proof of concept here. As you can see, Chrome doesn't let you install extensions. If you go to Chrome Web Store, they'll tell you fuck off. You know, you shit out of luck. So unfortunately, even though Ginkou, you can get it up. If you go to Ginkou.io, you can get it up by hitting this desktop site button down there. But you can't do anything because you can't install extensions. You know, it'll just tell you need to, but you can't. So instead of being told to fuck off by Google, we tell Google to fuck off. It's just a natural thing. So we go to the Play Store, and we use Google to find a replacement for Google. And we find Yandex. This is what it looks like. We open it up after it's installed. It looks a little weird when you first open it, cause like, you know, all your URL and all your tabs and stuff, it's on the bottom, but you'll get used to it quick once you can start using Ginkou and whatever other apps. But for real though, shout out to Ginkou, because it's a pretty fucking cool app. I'm not gonna lie, check it out. But anyways, if you go to the Chrome Web Store on Yandex, instead of being told to fuck off, well, you're not told anything, so no news is good news. Then we can look up Station Wallet and find it. And so you should probably have removed from Chrome. Or sorry, no, you shouldn't have removed from Chrome. You should have add to Chrome. I have removed from Chrome because I've already done this and linked my wallet and everything. I'm just showing you guys how it works and how to do it. So do that. Open a new tab. Go to Ginkou. It'll come up the same way. This is a Chromium browser though, so we can still view it. It's on the bottom though this time. Hit this on the bottom, and then open PC version. It comes up, but now that we've installed the extension and linked our wallet, we can go and actually, well, essentially sign in. And yeah, I mean, I'm connected. I'm into it. This is my position I have open. I've withdrawn, deposited, and provided collateral all from mobile. It works. The UI has a couple little wonky issues, but it's not made for mobile, so that's kind of expected. It's not going to work 100. So the primary thing is, like, you know, if you're like zoomed in, you like go over here, provide, you end up cutting off most of the screen. You can't see shit. So, and you can't scroll or zoom in or out. Like, you can't do anything. So when the pop-up is up anyways, you have to be out of the pop-up to actually scroll around and zoom. So make sure your screen's in a good position before you hit that so you can see the pop-up. So that's really the main helpful tip. I should say one of the other things is I'm on Android. I don't know what the options look like for Apple, but I'm on Android. So I don't know if Apple people have the same options that I have. Sorry, just saying it. I don't know what your options are if you have Apple. But yeah, this is the way I've worked. It helped me because when I was traveling, I needed to deploy more collateral, and of course I was pretty far away from my laptop, so I couldn't do that. I needed to figure out a way. And Yandex, it's not like some grand loophole or anything, but it works, and it's great, and I like it. And I just wanted to get the word out so other people can also use it when they're like on the go and they're not around their computer, because not everyone can just be glued around their computer at their house all day, you know? It's not feasible for most people. I work fucking 2 jobs, so I'm not home very often, so It's just how it is. But this helps me out when I'm on the fly, so hopefully it can help you guys out too. And please share it around so other people can get help too.